If you check your transaction history on American Express, you can easily access it through the website or mobile app. Follow these steps to view your transaction details. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the American Express website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Summary. Once logged in, look for the Account Summary or Accounts section on the homepage. Click on it to view your card accounts. Step 3. Select your card. If you have multiple American Express cards, select the specific card for which you want to check the transaction history. This will take you to the card's details page. Step 4. Access transaction history. Look for a section labeled Transactions, Activity, or Statement. Click on it to view your recent transactions, including dates, amounts, and merchant details. Step 5. Filter and download. If you need to narrow down your search, use any available filters to specify date ranges or transaction types. You can also find options to download your transaction history as a PDF or CSV file for your records. By following these steps, you can easily keep track of your spending and manage your finances effectively.